Yeah, just pulled up at Mount Duke's Lookout, and we can see plenty of cloud.
Yeah, not much happening here, is there? Look at that, that's crazy. Life is certainly full of seasons, and this last period has been a balance between a laptop screen filled with university work. So this is what life as a master's student looks like. You've got to study while you're on the road.
Well, we're nearly there now. We're actually only 20 minutes away from Lake Pedder. The countryside out here, amazing. We are in the heart of Tasmanian World Heritage Area. Probably as far into the depths as you can go driving. The rest of it you have to hike it. There's no other way in. So amazing country, so different to anywhere on the mainland.
And the ancient Tasmanian landscapes outside our window. I'm just going to turn the camera around. It's just beautiful. It's this constant pull between two worlds.
That's our view. That's our kitchen view. That's our kitchen, and straight outside.
The next 5 days we have here will be pretty much filled with study for me, unfortunately. Next week, so I've got 6 days before I head back to Brisbane for uni, when all my assignments will be due. So this next 5 days will be assignment filled. Oh, that's nice. That's lovely.
That's going on YouTube.
That's your son.
Hello, YouTube family.
My Christmas break brought deep exhaustion just from study, but also Tasmania's undeniable call to explore. I was feeling like I needed more than just rest. I needed reconnection and rejuvenation.
What are we doing today, gorgeous?
So we're going to Mount Murchinson for a hike, which All Trails tells us is the most spectacular hike in Tassie, and we've been here a year and we haven't done it yet. So
what's today?
So it's going to be good. 1 year, it was the 4th of January 2024 that we hit the road, and today's the 4th of January 2025. So yeah, we're going to celebrate it with a hike to Mount Murchison.
And yeah, what better way to head up probably Tassie's best day hike. Well, we're at the trailhead. Just pulled up at the trailhead for Mount Murchison. We picked a fellow hiker up about 10 k's back who'd just done Mount Tyndall, and he's hitching his way around the state, doing all the hikes. So we're all ready to go. Let's just putting the shoes on.
Climbing Mount Murchison awakened our bodies. These weren't just sights, but sensory experiences that demanded full attention. So we've just left the road, and my heart rate is through the roof already. This is not a good start. The physical efforts of the trail became a form of active meditation for both of us.
I think we're about halfway along. That's not where we're heading. We're actually heading up that one.
reminding us both that we were more than just a life hidden behind a screen or a YouTube channel.
Views here are insane, absolutely insane. As far as the eye can see, just the Tassie wilderness and mountains. We're looking in the distance, what I assume is over the overland track, just as far as the eye can see. Just the wilderness. The only thing we can see is down there on that, there's just the road that we came along to get here. How are you finding it, Sal?
Oh, amazing. Absolutely amazing. I think Tasmania is just the gift that keeps on giving. We've been here a year now and it's just, yeah, in awe. This is definitely God's country up here. It's amazing. So we've just finished the Mount Murchinson Hike, which was absolutely amazing. And we were going to stay at the campsite near Tulla, which was only about 10 minutes from the Mount Murchinson car park there. But it is absolutely chockers, being obviously summer here in Tassie. It's a busy period. And so now we're going to head another how many Ks to
90,
Corinna?
70, 90 Ks.
Somewhere between an extra 70 and 90 Ks today, which is fine because the sun's up till midnight or something stupid. And we'll cross over the Corinna Ferry and find somewhere over there. So that's the exciting part about being on the road. You can just make spur of the moment decisions, which is awesome.
I'll switch to easy, thank you.
And then there were the connections forged unexpectedly in these wild settings.
Have they already gone?
No, they're eating at the moment.
Yeah. Ben and Kerry? Yeah.
Yep.
And they go 2 kitties. So they're going to go to White River. Bring back here when you're ready to go and me organising a groundsman to meet you down there.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so we're going to get tails still in.
Yeah, cool. Excellent. Cheers. Yeah.
Happy to pay. Put something out.
Very nice. Kayaking the tranquil, reflective waters of the Pieman River, we enjoyed our adventures with Kerry and Ben and their 2 gorgeous boys. Gliding alongside them over that water, the conversations flowed easily, stripped bare of the digital persona or urban pretense. These spontaneous moments of community somehow felt richer than many connections built over years in more structured environments. Together, Anth and I found that wilderness offers authenticity, not convenience.
Can you give me the key? I'm going to cut it off.
And what could have been setbacks for us became part of the adventure itself. Clearing fallen trees, well, it wasn't an obstacle, but a pause teaching us patience.
A car has gone around.
Just stop. So,
Turn back now.
pardon?
We're starting to turn back.
That should be okay then, because we've just got, yeah. It's just, wow. We're through. Well done.
So someone has come through.
Yeah.
You want to pull the mirror up just so I can see the sun?
Yep. Miles away.
Pass?
Yep. Well done. Well done.
Oh, it's easy. Much easier.
Yeah. Just knocking that extra bit off. Well done. Navigating the deep mud became a shared laugh. These challenges demanded a presence completely different from my academic focus, which was grounding me firmly in the now, in the present moment. A truly fascinating perspective was offered by history as we hiked along the Kelly Basin track. Following the old railway, we found East Pillinger, a ghost town once home to almost 1,000 people. Steadily returning to the earth, we found foundations split by persistent roots, brickwork softened by blankets of moss. This vividly illustrated how nature quietly reclaims even our most determined efforts. Standing among this slow erasure of human ambition, the intense experience of my own academic world, the assignments, the deadlines, the digital demands, the accompanying anxiety, well, they suddenly felt less consuming. Nice and clean now. Show me.
Look at that. I might as well just purchase them.
Wow, much better.
And they'll be dry in like 10 minutes.
Yes, amazing. As they were placed against the vast, patient rhythm of this wild place. Tasmania has taught us both many things. At the time of editing this video, we only have a few short weeks left, and the lessons we've learned in this place have been invaluable. It has revealed that balance isn't a static point between effort and ease, but it's a dynamic rhythm found in movement that nourishes rather than depletes. We've learned to integrate the fragments, mind and body, solitude and connection, challenge and restoration. And in the heart of this beautiful place, of this wilderness, we weren't escaping our lives. We were finding a more elemental, vibrant way into it, learning the quiet language of landscape and rediscovering our own wilder pulse.